My name is Jeff Bryant. I'm the CEO of Bryant Associates. We're a multidisciplinary engineering firm that was started in 1976 by my father, Jack Bryant. Bryant Associates brought a drone so we can continue to provide quality surveying to our clients.
My name is Gary Hamilton and I'm a licensed land surveyor. I oversee the survey operations from Bryant corporate office. We felt as surveyors and engineers that we wanted to have a piece of equipment that we could deliver a product that we could stand behind at a professional level. Based upon the research that we had done, we analyzed the capabilities of all the drones that are out there at our level, and we felt that the support, being local, being made in the United States, was very important to our decision. One of the key advantages that we found when we worked with UAV America folks was they were able to customize the platform for us, utilizing a high-resolution Sony camera, onboard GPS, and really tailoring it to the type of work that we need to do. The purpose of our mission the other day was for us to capture data along the low water line in the coastal area that we're working. We're trying to help the town out with planning where they can place moorings. There's a shifting sandbar in front of that beach. If we can document that, it'll help them in planning their mooring positions. In order to get an accurate plan, we had our surveyors go out and we targeted the area. They utilized RTK surveys with redundant measurements to enable us to control the survey files and produce a plan that was accurate.
My name is Paul Heffernan. I work at Bryant Associates in Boston. A point cloud can get you a 3D model, it can get you flat 2D plans, it can get you up close to an object that is too far away to climb or ascend to. We as a survey company try to be as accurate as possible. Wherever there's an overlap of a photograph, it creates points in space. This generates our point cloud. By introducing ground control points, we can then bring this data into a mass state plane coordinate system.
When it's flying over a project, it is collecting a wealth of information. And some of the clients won't even know that they even need some of this information until the future. So maybe they're looking at a different roadway, a different alignment. We don't have to send somebody back out for that information because we already have that. It's just a matter of culling the data at that time. There's a lot of projects where we need to shut down that lane or have to enter the right-of-way of the train or enter into a heavily populated area. Adding a drone is going to be instrumental in providing safety to not only our personnel, to the public in general.
We understand that clients need a lot of information today with all their CAD work and the design. So utilizing the drone will capture immense amount of data.
Bryant's always been at the forefront of technology, as we were one of the first ones to buy a 3D laser scanner. Adding a drone is just a continued piece to be a leader in this industry.